Every aspect of handling the future of your aging parents can cause mixed feelings, and you can often be in denial about their increasing vulnerability as well as their decision-making abilities. Being the child, you are suddenly placed in the role of caring for your elderly parents, who until now were your caregivers. This role exchange can not only intensify the feelings of helplessness in your parents, but it can also create guilt and confusion on your part. There are a lot of factors that may make you feel guilty. Your emotions will range from feeling overly responsible to inadequate. Mostly, you want your parents to remain being decision makers and to be all-knowing, just to gain that sense of normalcy back. You can get upset when you have to take over their roles, and you can feel guilty about the role reversal. You may assume moving them into an assisted living declares that you aren't able to handle taking care of them. One way that you can address this is to simply anticipate it. Enter into it with an emotional methodology or psychotherapy. Deal with the issues before they even happen. The better the perspective, the better the outcome will be. Visiting assisted living facilities with your parents early is one way to certainly keep making the transition. The shoulda, coulda, woulda moments can add to those guilty feelings and even create a vicious emotional cycle. You can often find yourself rethinking the decisions for elder care, playing the conversations over and over again in your mind, and wondering if you are doing the right thing. The second guessing can turn the amount of time left with your parents into a more anxious and stressful experience. Make the choices with your parents while they are still in a place to make a choice. A living will and healthcare proxy are able to ease the upcoming situation for everyone. The proper financial preparation and health insurance will help to alleviate some of the areas of conflict. When the topic is relocation into a nursing home or assisted living community, the lifestyle and financial consequences will certainly heighten your anxiety level. Early planning can often give more options, answer most of the questions, and even clear up some of the uncertainty. But the doubt on how things will turn out will always be there. Focusing on small victories can help to remove some of the guilt, and these victories include excellent care, keeping your parents together for as long as possible, and creating meaningful activities. Making informed choices about assisted living is a huge step towards this goal. Being able to empower your parents at this point in their lives is a priceless experience. Your parents will remain the keepers of your family, full of cultural and historical knowledge. You will craft their legacy and even add a bit of eternity when you communicate. Your parents will appreciate the longevity of the family, and the fear that they have will diminish. Moving your parents isn't easy. You can be faced with elder care choices that may challenge your ideas of the typical parent-child relationship. The small window that you have can force us to make huge choices without having every resource available. You do the best that you can for your parents with what you have, and always remember that your parents would do the same for you.